Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Nishitha. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Today's video is a tutorial on the simple yet elegant makeup look. Since it's festive season, I wanted to create an all matte makeup look with some bold lips. I did not want to add any metallics for this particular makeup look and I really loved how it turned out. So yeah, let's get started. Starting off with the face, I'm taking my NYX Angel Well Blood Primer. I just love how this makes my skin look. For foundation, I'm taking my favorite Lancome liquid foundation and I'm gonna mix in few Rainforest of the Sea drops from the brand Tarte just to add a nice glow to my skin. Then I'm taking my damp beauty sponge to blend out the foundation. I just love how this foundation makes my skin look. I highly recommend this one. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know how much I love this foundation. For concealer, I'm using my current favorite obsession. It's the Cover FX Power Play Concealer and I'm mainly using this to highlight underneath my eyes, at the same time cover the little bit of darkness that I have in the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also applying this concealer underneath where my contour would be, just to highlight some more. Taking my damp beauty blender one more time and blending out the concealer, and when I get underneath my eyes, I'm gonna let the concealer sit for some time. Since this is a medium coverage concealer, by letting it sit for some time is gonna give you the maximum coverage out of it. To set the concealer in place, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder and I'm applying this wherever I applied the concealer, and I'm also going to take this onto my T-zone as well, just to mattify the areas wherever I tend to get a little bit shiny. Then I'm taking my e.l.f. bronzer to chisel out my cheekbones. This particular bronzer is not very cool toned, but at the same time it's not very warm toned. So I like bronzing powders like these because it's like a 2-in-1 product which you can use to warm up your face but at the same time enhance your cheekbones. And this is such a great affordable one. I leave a link to all the products that I'm using along with the shade names in the description box down below, so please make sure to check that out. Now I'm switching to a smaller brush with the same bronzer and running that along my nose just to add some dimension there. Moving on to eyes, I'm taking the Weekender shade from the Urban Decay Born This Way Run palette. It's a nice bone color. I'm just using this to set the concealer in place. Taking the shade Riff from the same palette and applying that onto my crease. And I'm gonna really buff out this eyeshadow up until my brow bone. And then to add some extra definition to my eye, I'm taking the shade Good As Gone. It's a deep brown color from the same palette and concentrating this mainly on the outer V of my eye. As you can see, I'm drawing kind of like a C shape and blending out the brown eyeshadow, making sure it's matching with my other eye. Then I'm going to go back into that shade Weekender and I'm going to clean up the inner 1/3 of my eye, kind of like a cut crease without having to use a concealer. I'm just cleaning up the lid mainly. Then I'm going to take the shade Hellride, a beautiful berry pink, and I'm going to place this right in between that bone color and the brown eyeshadow to create that beautiful 3D transition. And my outfit has some berry pinks in it, and the lip color I'm going to apply is similar to this eyeshadow, so that's why I chose this color. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Black Gel Liner, adding a small baby wing. Then I'm going to drag the liner all the way till my inner corners to add some definition to my eye, but I'm gonna keep this line really thin, very close to my lash line. I usually don't do wing liners, but with this look it just made more sense. Taking the shade Stranded and applying that as my inner corner highlight, and I'm also gonna drag that onto my brow bone. And now I'm gonna apply some Ardell Wispies. Taking some more of that brown eyeshadow, smoking it out on the outer V of my lower lash line and finishing off the eyes. Moving on to face, I'm taking the Fit Me blush and applying this right above my contour. For highlight, I'm taking my Laura Mercier glow powder in the shade Translucent and hitting the high points of my face. I just absolutely love how natural this highlighter looks. It makes my skin look as if it's glowing from within. Now I'm setting the face using my Morphe Continuous Makeup Mist. I almost forgot to do this, but I'm just taking my Pixie mascara and hitting my lower lashes. And now the eyes are finally done. Moving on to lips, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bend and Snap. First I'm lining my lips, then I'm gonna fill them in. And that finishes the look. That's the end of this makeup look. I added some jewelry off camera. I got this choker and Maang Tikka from Shreejn. I will leave a link to her Instagram page in the description box down below. If you want to get some amazing affordable jewelry, I highly recommend you check her page. And that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.